Mandleking.production. Yeah, phethe b.head intwana yami intwana umhlele lo girl. Yeah.
Baby, I miss you.
I miss you, baby. I miss you, baby. I miss you. I miss you.
Baby, I really miss you. I need you. Baby, I need you. 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 Baby, I really need you. I'm so hurt. I can't sleep. I can't do anything. Baby, I miss you. I know you didn't mean it. So baby, know that I forgive you. Even if it hurts me inside. It's just I miss you. Please know that I forgive you. Maybe your friends don't want us to see us together. Yeah, they just treat us so for they done this before. They just want to see us down because it's not the only person who loves us being together. No one who likes being us together. No one can protect our love. If we fight for our love, we can protect it. That no one will break our love. Yeah. And seeing someone who been careless of our love we have made, baby, know that I forgive you. Yeah. We all humans, we make mistakes, and we soon regret what we did. I know you didn't mean it, so please, I know that you didn't mean it. I know you feel sad that I lost you.
Mandleking.production.
I feel sad too.
Yeah.
Baby, know that I miss you. I know you didn't mean it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mandleking.production. Yeah. Yeah. I want you to know that I miss you. Yeah. All of your friends are jealous of our love, baby. Yeah. They see that I love you so much. I want to treat you like a queen. Yeah. You're the queen of my heart, the queen of my heart. Yeah. You will never fully understand how my heart feels for you. Hey, baby, please come back to me. Please come back to me. Come back to Mandleking.production, baby. I need you, baby. I love you. Hey, Mandleking.production. Yeah. Mandleking.production. Hey, baby, I miss you. Hey, baby, I miss you. Hey, I love you, baby.